Let's hurry, right? Oh! Looking for fucking forward of the city.
Yeah, you're looking forward for area games where people tell you what to do and what not to do. Yeah, good luck with that. Yeah, good luck with all that jazz, dude. I should say spaz. What do you think, Bernie?
That's what you're talking about.
Good luck having people tell me what to do. What I can and can't drink.
Right, but I need somebody to tell me what. I was the only one I drink, I know what I can do.
Yep. Yeah, like people say you can't drink alcohol before practice. Yeah, I understand, but I mean, soda, really? I know it's bad for you, but come on, dude. Don't you want a soda after work? Or after you're doing your stuff? And they wanted me to train 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Sorry, dude. That's not me. I train when I mow yards. And I'm still training for myself. Ow, that burned. Yep. I'm training for myself. To do what myself is right. Yep. No. Yep. I think Mountain was in it too. Yep. 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 So, Butch, how was your day today?
Oh, my day's been good.
That's cool. Yep. Yep. Hey guys, I got a question for you.
What's up?
What would you guys say if I would have got suspended like twice, and after the third time I almost got suspended from the center, and because the two of them I didn't do nothing. What would you guys do?
I don't know. Wait. How you gonna spend it from the center?
Let's just say if that were to come to fruition with this person as our lead person for staff, and she didn't like me very much, and I just don't even fight with her. Like say if something happened to Brittany B, like say she quit or something, and she had a replacement that didn't like me at all, like 5 or 6 years down the line, and let's just say we butted heads until something or somebody stepped in, and if that be the case, and you saw Eric, me, and also James like planning on calling me a traitor, and
Well, sorry to interrupt, but is it kind of about that dream of yours?
some of it, not all of it. I was just asking, what would you guys do?
Well, will I be known by it, or was I be witness when it happened?
Both. And as with my supported living staff when that happened.
One, I don't think it'll support you from smacking James or Eric.
Yeah. And I didn't do it yet, so
you're thinking about it, huh?
yeah. And if they did call me a traitor, and guess who's the one to be knocked down on his ass? Starts with J, ends with Ames.